Hello everyone, today I will show you how to find followers on Threads, and here's how it is done. First, open the Threads app. Once it loads, you'll see a mix of accounts you are following and suggestions for other profiles to explore. To view your followers, tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look at the top left corner where you will see an option labeled View Followers. Tap on it to see the list of people who are following your account. After tapping View Followers, the app will display their names. From here, you have a couple of options. You can choose to follow them back to grow your network, or if you'd like to remove a follower, simply tap the Remove button next to their profile. This feature is especially useful for private accounts. If you're switching to a more private setting and prefer not to interact with certain followers on threads, you can easily remove them for a more tailored experience. And that is everything you need to know about how to find followers on threads. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.